Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to connect and use the humidifier for your Vivo ventilator. The humidifier will be placed on the left side of the ventilator when facing the ventilator screen. To attach the humidifier, you first need to detach the side panel and the air adapter. When you lift the handle, you will notice two buttons that will release the side panel and the air adapter. First, push the button closest to the ventilator screen to release the side panel. Take away the side panel and store it so that it can be used later on in case you want to use the ventilator without the humidifier. Now you push the other button to release the air adapter. Take the air adapter out of the ventilator and store it together with the side panel. Now you can slide the humidifier into the slot and push it gently until you hear a clicking sound, confirming that the humidifier is inserted correctly. In case the humidifier is not correctly put in place, the ventilator will sound an alarm informing you about the mistake. To release the humidifier to fill it with water, you simply push the left button to unlock the humidifier and slide it out of its position. To fill the humidifier with distilled or sterilized water or boiled chilled tap water, you need to hold the humidifier with the air part opening upwards and fill water into either of the air openings. Make sure not to fill above the maximum indicator lines. Once this is done, you can slide the humidifier back into the slot and push it gently until you hear the click sound. The temperature settings for the humidifier can be found under the Others menu. Push Other, select Humidity settings with the arrow down, enter with the right arrow, highlight Humidifier setting with the arrow down, and set it at the desired level with the left and right arrow key. To activate the humidifier, you press the arrow down key once more and turn the humidifier on with the right arrow button. The humidifier is now activated as shown by the icon on the screen. The next time you turn the ventilator on, it will automatically start with the last settings. We hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use our Vivo bi-level ventilators, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.